In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop video in Canva. By the end, your clip will play continuously without pressing replay, perfect for background visuals, kiosks, social posts, and hands-free presentations. Start by opening your design and selecting the video you want to loop. Click directly on it so you see selection handles. If your design has multiple elements, make sure the video itself is highlighted, not text or shapes. For multiple clips, select the one you want to control, or the main background video. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Video. On some screens, you may see a playback option instead. If neither is visible, click the three dots or More menu to reveal hidden options. The goal is to open the controls for video playback. In the editing sidebar, locate the playback section and turn on Play on Repeat. This enables your video to loop automatically from end to start. Any audio will also restart, so for subtle background loops, lower the volume or mute the clip for a smooth transition. To check, press play in the editor and watch it reach the end and immediately start again. No gaps, no extra clicks, just a continuous loop. When presenting or sharing, the loop activates automatically. In presentation mode, it repeats as long as the slide is on screen. If sharing via a Canva link or embedding online, viewers will see the looping behavior. When downloading as MP4, looping depends on the player or platform. Social sites or embeds may require their own loop settings. If you don't see the toggle, ensure a video element is selected and that your design type supports video. On smaller screens, the option may hide under More. That's it. Select your video, open playback, toggle play on repeat, and share or present. Simple, clean, and ready to loop for seamless playback in any Canva project.